Hello, my name's Trevor Jones and I'm the head teacher here at Ysgol Bryn Hyfryd. This is a bilingual school in the beautiful valley of Clwyd for 11-year-olds to 18-year-olds. There are about 1,100 pupils and about 130 staff.
In 2019, the council members decided to put a motion through to put in a climate and ecological emergency and to work to net zero by 2030. So a part of this is looking at all our buildings where the schools are a major part of those buildings.
We're here today at Ysgol Bryn Hyfryd in Ruthin, North Wales, where JM Renewables were awarded a contract to install 70 kilowatts of solar PV. Along with this, we replaced 3 gas boilers with 2 commercial Mitsubishi air source heat pumps.
The heat pumps meet the design temperature of the school, so in a way it was almost a direct swap from the boilers. We didn't have to change anything on the secondary side. All we've had to do is reroute these flow and returns to outside. They're all 67mm stainless steel pipe, which will prolong the life of the system. The efficiency of the heat pumps we've installed should be around 300 to 400%. So for every 1 kilowatt of electricity consumed, it'll deliver 3 to 4 kilowatts of heat.
Between both schemes, the air source heat pump and the solar panel system that we installed here, it is estimated that the school will save on average 17 to 19,000 per annum, along with 28 tonnes of carbon.
We've completed about 30 schools in the Denbighshire area out of around about 70 schools that we have in the county. We're very pleased that it's Welsh Government low carbon heat grant that we applied for, and we was lucky enough to get 90% of that funding, and Denbighshire County Council's finding the other 10%.
It's been about 3 or 4 months of hard work to get the air source heating installed on the solar panels and some additional LED lighting, but it's the latest in a long line of initiatives and plans that have happened in the school, and we've constantly worked together with the local authority to try and make sure that the school becomes more efficient as we move forward, because a sustainable future is part of what we all want.
I'd like to thank Bryn Hyfryd School for allowing us to do the job that we've done, which will be a saving for both of us.